So here we're supposed to calculate 2/3 times b minus 2a. And bear in mind, this is a and this is b. But we also have to take note, please recall bed mass. You must do whatever in the brackets first if there are exponents after, if there are divide, multiply, or multiply, divide, and finally add or subtract. Okay, so we must bear that in mind before we begin. Okay, we have to take that into consideration. So we go to equations, and we have to find what is 2/3 times the b. B is a 2x2 matrix. It is also a 2x2 matrix, but then there's a subtraction sign. 2 times a so b now is -9. Say 2/3 times b is -9, 3, -3, and 6, and -2. A now is 2, 3, 5, and -1. All right. Remember, we have to multiply before we subtract, because here is multiplication and subtraction we're dealing with for this example. So we must multiply before we subtract. Okay. If you want to separate, these are two situations. This situation and this situation. So we want to deal with them separately and then bring them together. Okay, bear that in mind. Okay, so let's multiply. So we are going to multiply 2/3. We are multiplying by 2/3. Times -9. We have to multiply 2/3 to every element that's in the first matrix. Two-thirds by -9. 2/3 by 3. 2/3 by -3. And 2/3 by 6. And we have to multiply -2, that's a -2, by each element in matrix A. So we have to multiply -2 by 2, -2 by 3, -2 by 5, and -2 by -1, because this is a -2, bear that in mind. All right, you may see it like that. You may see it. That's how you're going to see it. That's how you're going to see it. What you need to do, you need to comfortably look at this and say, okay, well, this is 2/3 times this matrix there, and -2 times this matrix there. This will be wrong. This will be wrong because this negative sign belongs to the 2. All right, this negative sign belongs to the 2. If we have to do any separation, then already to go, the negative sign have to follow. Okay, please bear that in mind. Okay, so this is the same thing as that. There it is. Please practice this a couple of times so you can feel comfortable doing that. Separating the terms so you can get a better handle of it. Okay? Practice separating terms. Okay, so this and that are the same. Okay. And that is of 2/1 B and A. Okay, so when you do that, you can even put a little and between there. Okay, that's 2/1 B, and you can write an and here in that gap. Okay, there. That's 2/1 B and -2A. Okay, so please feel comfortable doing this. Okay, this will be wrong as we say because the negative sign belongs to the 2. Okay, the negative sign belongs to the 2, so you have to do any separation. That's why you have to separate them. So that's -2 times A, and there is -2 times in A. Okay, so now we are going to find out what is 2/4 times -9. 2 by -9 is -18 divided by 3. It should give us -6. We can prove it. -6. And we'll paste it there. Copy and paste one time. 2/4 times 3. We are multiplying 2/4 by B. We have to multiply 2/4 to each element in B. 2/4 times -3. That's -2. 2/4 times 6. I'll give us 4. And now here, now we are multiplying by -2 to a. -2 times 2. -4. -2 times 3. -6. -2 by 5. It's -10. And -1 times -2 times -1. Negative times a negative is a positive. So what we have 2, we have -6, 2, -2, 4, and -4, -10. Remember we said, and in arithmetic is a plus. Please get comfortable doing this. And is plus in arithmetic. Okay. Yes, I hear you. Okay. So this is -6 plus -4. Right. This is 2 plus -6. This is -2 plus 4. -2 plus -2 plus -10. -6 plus -4. 2 plus -6. -2 plus -10. And 4 plus 2. And this will give us -6 and -4. That's -10. 2 plus a -6. That's -4. -2 and -10. That's -12. And 4 plus 2 will give us 6. So this is the final answer for this question.